ating ulam for tonight. Nakabili po tayo ng beef scotch fillet steak. Reduced to clear. Reduced price from $26 to $15. Ayan guys, family. Almost 50%. Tapos meron po tayo ditong broccoli, bawang sibuyas, cream of mushroom, Campbell's seasoning, cheese, and then fresh cream. Hi family, hi guys. Ito po, lagyan po natin ng salt and pepper. Yan. Ay salt. Then, lagyan po natin ng Kirkland ground black pepper. Okay lang ha, guys family. Namasin lang natin yan. Sa olive oil, piprito natin. Tsaka sa ating butter. Where's our butter? Ayun, natabo na yung butter natin. Ayan, piprito natin sa ating butter. Lumit na yung butter natin. Ayan guys, family. Beautiful. Pinantok ang dangong baby. Kumakain na mo ito, no? Nakita ko eh. Dalawang nilagyan po, isang pan-dinner, isang pambaon po. Isang pang-ulam for tonight. No. Lagay po natin yan sa ibabaw. Lagay na po natin itong cheese talaga. Ayan guys, family. Tapos, i-bake po natin to. Yan. Beautiful. Wow, sarap. Ayan eh. Ayan pa ito nga. Steak with gravy. Ayan po guys, family. Ayan, parang Bake Mac. Ayan, oh. Wow. Wow, usok pa. Tingnan natin yan. Mainit. May wagong red ball. Ayan. Grabe. Ayan po guys, family, oh. Ano to, medium range lang po ito. Ayan. Kasi ito po ating seasoning. Ang sarap. Alright guys, family. Ulam for tonight. Steak with mushroom gravy. And then, ito po ang pandiin. Broccoli, ang init. Cheese broccoli, baked cheese broccoli. Beautiful.